Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to solve the equation of matrix. If we have equation like 1 over 6x minus the matrix 7, 12, 7, negative 1, 14, and 9 equals the matrix 3, 14, negative 8, negative 6, 19, 1, negative 6, 19, 1. How we solve this matrix? Deal with this matrix as solving equation. You have minus here, and imagine this is a number, this matrix as a number, and this matrix as a number. So how you deal with this equation? So you have to add this number in both sides as you did in equation. So just add the matrix, the same matrix here in both sides. Then you can cancel out the left hand side. If you add both matrix in the other side now, you will get 3 plus 7 is 10, 14 plus 12 is 26, 7 plus negative 8 is negative 1, next negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7, 19 and 14, 20, 33, 1 and 9 is 10. So when you add both sides, you will find the new matrix as we have, and 1 over 6 equal this matrix. So now, it means if you multiply 1 over 6 by the matrix x, you will get this matrix. As you do in equation also. If you have 1 over 6x equal, for example, 12. So what are you going to do? You are going to multiply by 6 both sides. Here also you have to multiply both sides by what? By 6. So you have to multiply all this matrix by 6. And you know, if you are going to multiply matrix by constant, we name it as a scalar product. So you have to distribute the 6 over each element inside the matrix. So your answer will be 6 times 10 is 60, 6 times 7 negative 42, 6 times 26 is what? 156, 6 times negative 1 negative 6, 6 times 33 is 198, and 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. This is your new matrix. So it means x, the value of this matrix, which is x equal 66 and negative 42, 156, 195, negative 6, and 60. And please, in next slide we are going to learn something different. You can solve now question 3, question 2, and question 1 we have here, question 1, sorry. The first question we have 3 multiplied by given matrix minus 2 multiplied by given matrix. So you have to distribute 3 inside the matrix, and then distribute the 2 inside the other matrix, and then combine both matrix. Question 2, we have what? We have matrix negative 3, 25, 5, negative 2, minus 3, multiplied by 0 and x, negative 2 and 4 equals negative 3, 15, and negative 14, 11. Here what he asked for, he asked for the value of x, solve for x. So now, you have to solve the right hand side. So it means you are going to multiply 3 by inside equation, so you have 3 times x. And don't forget, the corresponding negative 2 minus 3 times x must equal what? 15. Again, I'm sorry about this mistake. 25, sorry. So you have 25 minus 3 times x equals 15. This is the corresponding element we have. Now we have equation. Okay? Now we have equation, we have to solve it. Subtract 25 from both sides. So you have negative 3x equal negative 10 and negative 10. What next step? Divide by negative 3, so x equal 10 over 3. X equal 10 over 3. So now, what's the next step? You know how to write equation by using matrix. For example, question 3, just write all coefficients you have. So, for example, the coefficient of A in question 3 are 5 and 4. So this is your value for 5 and 4, sorry. This is your value for the first A11 and A21. The location of your elements. What's the variable for coefficient of B? 5 and 3. What's the coefficient? 5 and 3 also. So this is how to write your matrix. And then you have negative 20 and 6. Negative 20, can I erase? Negative 20 and 6. This is a constant, the last part we have. This is how to represent your system of equation using matrix. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.